this short video, you're going to learn how to use layers in Storyline. Layers are a way to add more content based on an event in Storyline. So let's get to it. If you saw the previous episode, you know that we're working on an interaction where learners will be asked to drag the garbage to the correct disposal bin. In a previous episode, we added states to the apple and fry container. In this episode, we're going to add layers. You can use the drag and drop interaction to build this type of slide, but we're going to build it from scratch. One, so that we can show you how to use each of these elements, but also because we want to add 4 feedback layers as opposed to the 2 that you'll get. The 4 layers that we're going to add today are going to be apple correct layer, apple incorrect layer, a fry container correct layer, and a fry container incorrect layer. So let's get to that. To add a layer, you click the add layer icon like this. You can see that a layer was added. To keep ourselves organized, we should change the name of the layer. To do that, you double click on the default name like this. And type the name that we want. For this one, we'll type feedback apple correct. Now when you add a layer, it becomes essentially a new slide. So now we just need to add the things that we want on that layer. For that, you could add text, images, videos, shapes, or any other assets just like you could to the base layer. Let's say that we wanted a shape and some feedback text. I had already copied the things that I want on this layer to my clipboard, so I'll just paste it here. Remember, you can build the layer however you want. And that's really it. That's how you create a layer. Remember, we want to create 4 layers. All of them will have the same general format. So I'll just duplicate this layer rather than recreating it from scratch. To do that, I simply click the duplicate button. You'll notice that it added an exact duplicate of this layer. It's best practice to build all triggers on your layer before you copy it so that those come along with it. But we're covering triggers in a later episode, so we aren't going to add those just yet. Now, after we duplicate the layer, I'll change the name so that it aligns with what we're trying to do. But I'm going to go ahead and change what I need to change and add the other layers I need to add, and I'll be back with you. And there you go. I went ahead and changed all the layers to look like I wanted them to and added all 4 layers. That's it.
Looking to bring a real change to your team's learning and development? Then you need Legacy Learning Consulting. We're all about creating custom learning strategies that truly make a difference. Whether you're aiming to boost team performance or enhance leadership skills, we've got you covered. Dive into what we offer by visiting LegacyLearningConsultingLLC.com. Start crafting your team's legacy in learning with us today. That's LegacyLearningConsultingLLC.com. We can't wait to work with you. Schedule a time to discuss with Jason in the episode description below.